Rock bottom doesn't happen in a single moment. It's the thousand silent compromises you made without noticing. It's the day you stopped fighting for your dreams, the week you said just one more break and never got back up. It's waking up one morning feeling like a ghost in your own life. And it hurts. It's heavy. It makes you wonder if you'll ever feel alive again. But here's what no one tells you. Rock bottom isn't a grave. It's a doorway. A brutal, painful doorway, but one that only opens for those who are ready to build something better. Most people stay stuck because they build a house inside their pain. They memorize their mistakes. They tattoo their failures across their identity. They tell themselves, I'm the person who always messes up. I'm the person who ruins good things. I'm too broken to change. But those thoughts aren't facts. They're just stories. Stories you learned when you were hurt. Stories you can choose to rewrite. Here's the real truth. Your future is bigger than your biggest failure. And rebuilding your life starts the moment you decide your past doesn't own you. Step 1. Own everything without blame. Blame is a cage. Every second you spend blaming the world, your parents, your boss, you delay your freedom. Say it. I created this mess, and I can create something better. This brutal ownership hurts, but it's the first swing of the hammer that cracks the walls around you. Step 2. Start smaller than your pride wants. Forget massive overnight goals. Forget 90-day transformations. You want a new life? It starts embarrassingly small. 1 page written, 1 meal cooked at home, 1 honest conversation. It feels tiny, it feels slow, but every tiny action becomes a brick, and one day, brick by brick, you build a fortress where ruins once stood. Step 3. Respect the unseen. Work. Real rebuilding looks boring. It's invisible. It's days of showing up with no applause, no spotlight, no instant payoff. And that's why so few ever rebuild fully, because the payoff is too slow for most people's egos. But not for you. You are here because you're ready to trade ego for evolution. And that trade will make you unstoppable. Rock bottom feels like death, but it's not. It's rebirth. It's the stripping away of everything false, everything fragile. What's left is real. What's left is unbreakable. You don't have to rebuild overnight. You just have to take the next right step. One step, one small action. Over and over and over, until one day you look around and realize, I built a life from ruins. And no one can ever take that away from you. If this message hit you, smash the like button. If you're rebuilding piece by piece, subscribe. You're not alone. Your future self is already waiting. Keep going.